Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update released by Sunil Mittal, Chairman of Bharti Enterprises, about OneWeb. Friends, OneWeb is a satellite communication company and which has 42% stake owned by Bharti Airtel and 42% stake owned by UK government and remaining small companies acquired. And friends, Sunil Mittal and takes as executive chairman for this OneWeb company, and he said that OneWeb emerged from bankrupt and they are investing around $500 million to develop broadband service throughout the globe by June 2020, and they received $500 million from UK government also. To this they got 1 billion and remaining 1 billion, so many investors are interested to invest and they are in talks. Friends, with this OneWeb, Airtel enters into space programs in India, and Narendra Modi sir also told that private firms also can enter in India space programs and satellite programs. Up to now, major activities in space areas done by only ISRO or government side companies only, PSUs. But now with this announcement, private equity firms can enter into space rocket launches and satellite launches like that. Friends, with this OneWeb comes with a target of providing broadband services in India and globe by June 2022 and are also in talks with ISRO. And friends, with this the competition will get from SpaceX and Amazon's and Starlink. These are the competitors for this type of projects, and newly appointed CEO for this OneWeb is Masterson, and he was co-executive operator officer in Thomson Reuters previously. And friends, with this Bharat Enterprises will get into track and the share prices will automatically move further in future, and now we can buy these shares and we will get good returns in future. And friends, there are in talks that the prices of prepaid plans and postpaid plans in Indian Airtel, they are going to increase at the end of this year or in January of next year 2021. And friends, if it increases its tariff rates, the share price will automatically increase, and with this we can hope it will get good returns. And this is not a single thought by Sunil Mittal sir. So friends, this is the information we got around this OneWeb satellite communication company, and which was led by Sunil Mittal sir's son Servan Mittal on front of it, and the UK government also appointing one of the member to lead this project. And friends, with this we can expect good returns from Airtel. And recently Indus Towers merged in Bharti Infratel, and Bharti Infratel, in that Bharti Airtel has majority stake, and with this last Friday Bharti Infratel moved 19% and it reached 230 rupees like that. So friends, we can expect the movement will give price rise in Airtel share also. So friends, please subscribe my channel, share my channel if you like our information friends. Thank you.